Ayan. Ito na guys. Ngayon na lang ulit ako humawak ng camera. At my mom and Monica is just walking as it's not hot already this afternoon. At syempre, and nga, mayroon na din akong time na maglakad-lakad at medyo okay naman na si Baby Jasper. So, nilalakad-lakad ko na rin siya ngayon. So, just walking here around the whole area. Sa ngayon, nakadress ako. Ayan, kasi walking lang naman. At kailangan kong magsuot ng comfortable. So, matagal akong hindi nag-update dahil alam nyo na, mahirap din. Panay ang dudo ni baby. Ang hirap lumabas pag ganun. Tsaka breastfeeding naman ako. Pag umiyak, kailangan magpadide. Diba? So, sabi ni mother ko, naka 10 times na ikot na nila dito ngayon. Ayan, so pararating ko lang. So, papaikutin ko ulit sila ng mga 10 beses pa. So, susundan natin sila. Ang sarap ng weather ngayon. Hindi siya mainit. Tignan natin si Baby Jasper. Ang taba-taba na ng anak ko. And he is 1 month and
9 days.
10 days. 10 days ngayon? Or 9. Oh, and 9 days old.
Over 1 siya.
And he's so fat boy.
Bye, vlog. Iba ko. Mom's vlog. Ha? Hi, vlog. Nagpapapayat na kami kasi darating yung boyfriend ko. Boyfriend ko.
Naka-all black sila.
Uniform. Black ka din naman ate.
Oh, hindi white black. So just wear then white and gray and white. Red. Mag-ina nga, di ba?
Ma'am, guys, baka ma'am may gusto mag-sponsor sa amin ng rubber shoes.
Ayun, wala silang rubber shoes. Ayun, kasi kaya walking lang sila. Dapat bumuli sila ng rubber shoes. Parehas pa sila guys, ayan parehas sila ng tsinelas. So, black din. Jasper. Sino kamukha?
Si Sir.
No. Mommy.
Sir.
No. Isang. Who's look alike?
Sir.
No, isang. I'm the mother. Of course.
That look like the father.
No, Isa. Okay. So, ayun guys. Naka 20 rounds na kami. Ayay! Charot. Ako lang ang hindi. So, maupo muna kami. Because we are a bit tired now. So, here is our choose to sit. Hello, future vlogger. Ayan. Ang aking anak na magiging future vlogger. He's crying na. Oh my God, I cannot feed you. Because I'm wearing dress. Oh goodness. Need to carry him already.
Pula niya.
Let's remove that. Okay, Ate Monica can carry him.
Luna.
He's crying.
This bird crying.
Finally, baby Jasper stopped crying.
No.
My mom is just sitting, lying. Here you are again. Maganda mag-walking dito if morning, ganon. With your music.
Yeah, you're gonna swim there when you're grown up already, huh?